In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram personal account into a professional account. So to do so, it is quite easy. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Instagram account. So once you have logged in, head over to your profile here where you can see your picture or your image, and then click on it to expose these menu icons. So head over to these three lines and then tap on your menu, and then you land on this settings and activity page. From this, scroll down until you get to this category called for professionals. Now head over to this category called account type and tools. Click on it. And then you'll see the first option, switch to professional account. If you go ahead and click on it, and then click on next, go ahead and choose your category, and then choose whether you want to display this on your profile. So I'll go ahead and switch on to display my account as a digital creator account, and then finalize by tapping on switch to professional account here. So I'll go ahead and click on it, and then Instagram will go ahead and create a professional account for me. Then on the next step, go ahead and choose the type of account, and then on this page, go ahead and choose the type of professional you are. I'll leave it to creator, and then click on next, then click on OK. And you're told here, in case you want to receive promotional emails, then you have to note that when you opt in, Instagram will be sending mails to the email you used to sign in. Tap on next. Go ahead and choose whether you want to share logins using Account Center. For my case, I'll select not now. And as you can see, you're told now you have professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. So you can get started by choosing and selecting all these and then tapping on next as you wish. So that's how you do it. So go over all these 8 steps to complete your setup. So once you're done, your account will be successfully set up. And now if I go back to my profile, you can see the changes have taken effect. Now I'm a digital creator, and now this is a professional account. So that's how you switch your account from personal to professional on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.